Hello guys, welcome back. Today is day 41 our Learn English Challenge journey. Speaking in front of the camera next to 90 days consistently. Keep doing that 40 way and today is day 41. We almost close 90 days. So as usual, we're going to practice our English right here today. I prepared a bunch of IELTS questions. I'm gonna explain, answer those IELTS questions, and also if you don't understand these IELTS questions, I will explain until you understand it very well. And if you understand it, the IELTS question is why not try to make a sentence by your own self and try to speak the language, use the language, and if it didn't comes out, just be patient and try your best. So let's get started. So this bunch of IELTS questions really interesting. It's about future and plans like that. So first question right here we have is what new skills would you like to learn? What new skills would you like to learn, man? Which new skills would you like to learn? Or do you have any skills in your mind you wanna learn? Or even languages, even other skills? So for me, my skills are focused on right now. I wanna be fluently and I keep going, keep doing every single day. Is learning English. I wanna learn English this year and this year is already an but until 2027. So we're not gonna focus years or how we learn it. I just we trust the progress and we just want to keep going, keep learning until we get fluently. And here is this is how we practice every single day. So for me, I like every day I practice my English. Every day I speak the language. And why I open my voice room like at this video, I just want to challenge myself next in today. Like this video is gonna be in maybe 7 minutes or like 6 minutes is 5 minutes or so. Speaking every day 5 minutes or between 10 minutes is English. It's not easy. It's not absolutely easy. It's not easy. But just with speaking English, we're not speaking our native language. So that is significant to win our goal. So we just want to keep the language and keep using. And the skills I learn it for me is English. What about you? Which skills do you learn? Are you learning language or you just learning maybe other skills? So let's move to the second question. The second question is what are your goals for the next year? What are your goals for the next year means do you have any goal to achieve next year? So for me, my next year goals or any goal in my this year or next year, whatever, just English to be fluent English. Until we get fluently, we're not gonna talk about anything else. So one step at a time. If you wanna learn in something, you would focus in one. Focus one. If you're learning skills, like for example, you wanna learn English and you wanna learn graphic design. It's two skills, right? So don't just say maybe it's a bit different. You can learn if you have the time. I focus graphic design and I learn English. But here is the reason. If you're learning two language, maybe Spanish and English, focus just unnecessary one, like unnecessary one. The one you are temporary, you need to learn the one is in temporary. That's incorrect grammar. R I use R. So the one you need the most. Learn focus that one and learn when you get fluently and when you think oh you speak this language very well and that is enough for you start another one and learn another one. So it's gonna be easy. So right now you have experience, you already learned one language, another one's gonna be easy. So for me, my second year goal is still English. So let's jump another question. The second question is do you plan your future? This is a prediction. Do you plan your future? Do you plan your future? Like means like are you planning future? When you gonna be? Like you are 18, you are adult, you teenager, whatever you are just grow a person, you growing. So right now, if you already establish your future job or your future thing you wanna do, it's okay, you already achieved that one. But if you a person like for me I studying like I'm not establishing my future. There's a lot of year ahead for me. So the question is, do you plan your future? So what are you gonna be, or what will you wanna do in the future, or which job you wanna take in the future? Like what is your future plan? So this, do you plan your future? For me, no. Yeah. I'm just learning, I'm just improving. I have no idea about what happened in the future. So I think this question is just, do you plan your future? Yeah, we planning, we're learning, we're growing, and we're learning English. That's future as well. So, but we don't know what we're gonna do in the future. Yeah. So that's question for you. What you wanna be? What is job you wanna do in the future, or what thing you wanna achieve in the future? Wait down at the comment to that question, that answer. I mean, let's move the fourth question. First question is, do you want to study abroad? Do you want to study abroad? Of course, if I get the opportunity, why not? Do you want to study abroad? Like, for me, if I get the opportunity, I want to study abroad. That would be great. I would love it because I want to achieve or visit any other cultures, any other country. Really love to meet other people and you know learn new cultures. If you move to place to another place, you'll get more experiences. So for me, if I get the opportunity, I would love to learn. I would love to study abroad. So yeah, studying abroad is when you move to your country to move another country to study college or university or start new knowledge, seeking knowledge, anything. A knowledge you're gonna be, I don't know, but just seeking knowledge, or you wanna learn, or you maybe finish high school and you wanna move to country, not your country, another country. That is, do you wanna study abroad? Yeah. Let's move the last question for this PN. So where do you see yourself in 10 years? Where do you see yourself in 10 years? This question is a really advanced question. This question so many times people ask is called native speakers, or even when two girl and men they dating at first the date, the girl and the boy they ask each other where do you see yourself in 10 years, or in 1 year, on next 5 years. So this is questions advanced. They may ask you a lot of times, so you must align this question. Where do you see yourself in 10 years, or where do you see yourself in 5 years? Also, companies, when you looking for a job and you join company, they may ask you, where do you see yourself in 10 years in this company, or your position, where do you see yourself? Are you like meaning that, are you want to achieve something? Are you want to what you gonna provide us, like what is your offer? So this question is a bit advanced. So where do you see myself in 10 years? Maybe achieving many goals. That is why I don't say anything else. So yeah, that is the question, guys. That is all the video. If you watch until here, you absolutely the legend. This is how we practice our English every single day. Speak the language, use the language, and of course use the language for me, learn English with me. So every single day we practice our English and learn new words, and also well keep going until we get fluently. So please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and join us. And of course, don't miss day 42. And yeah, have a good one. See you.